Ano, maurad ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Uragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Uragon. Uragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ng Uragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Uragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody.
Uragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Uragon. Puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Good evening, Bicolandia. Nagbabalik muli ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante para sa ating pangatlong laro ngayong Sabadong ito. It is JB Hart versus Cursido Motors para sa isang napakagandang bakbakan ng dalawang pinakamalakas na kupunan dito sa Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1.
We're still live here at the Naga College Foundation covered court para sa ating pangatlong laban ngayong Sabado. And this time it's the Cursido Motors and the JB Hart. Napakagandang laban na naman din yung nag-aabang sa atin for our third game because our JB Hart, undefeated po sila. Same with the NCF Tigers for our OBL LVL Cup Season 1. While yung ating Cursido Motors is having this 2 wins and 1 loss standing. So ang tanong, magpaparehas ba yung kanilang standing or mananatiling undefeated itong ating JB Hart? Kaya napakagandang laban po ito para tutukan at kailangan mo talagang tumutok for this matchup.
Kaya yun talaga ang ating aabangan ngayong gabing ito dahil nga sinabi na natin kanina dalawang pinakamalakas na team para dito sa ating OBL. Kaya naman maya-maya lamang in just a few minutes we're going to start this much-awaited matchup of JB Hart and Cursido Motors. Talaga namang with these players, a lot of veterans dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. On the side of JB Hart, we have Barde, we have Relucio, we also have Abante, and we also have two Bardes we have here from the side of JB Hart. And the side of Cursido Motors, andyan din naman ang ating mga players like Caroche, Mendones, Curioso, Benaobra, Punzalan, Diang, and the rest of the players of the Cursido Motors. Kaya naman napakaganda nung magiging bakbakan natin na ngayong gabing ito dahil itong dalawang kupunan na ito parehong mga veterans yung maglalaro dito. And now let's see kung is it the Cursido Motors or the JB Hart that will go home with a win. Para dito sa ating Cursido Motors, natikman na nga po nila ang kanilang unang pagkatalo against UNC Trifit. It is a good fight against these two teams pero medyo nakulangan tayo doon sa side ng Cursido Motors at ngayong gabing ito titingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung naging adjustment ng kanilang kupunan to get their win this evening. And to hear an update, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Ayan at babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai because we're having konti lang naman yung ating technical difficulties, but rest assured, top tier, we promise you aming mga taga-subaybay, mga taga-panood for Oragon Basketball League dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV na we will continue to give you top tier basketball actions, and this time Zai is ready to give us an update on the side of the Cursido Motors. Zai, take it away.
Magandang gabi, Tin and Jasper, and of course magandang gabi din sa ating viewers here on OBL's official Facebook page. Andito nga tayo sa NCF Covered Court. It's Cursido Motors versus JB Hart. Ako si Shulomar Zameniano, ang inyong courtside reporter, at ako ang maghahatid sa inyo ng mga eksklusibong updates mula sa tabi ng court. Cursido Motors has been a dominant force this season. Kilala sila sa kanilang matinding full court press at deadly fast break plays. Si Carol Caroche ang kanilang go-to guy pagdating sa scoring, habang ang kanilang big man ay ready magpatibay ng interior defense. Isa pa nga abangan ay kung paano nila babasagin ang depensa ng JB Hearts at kung sino ang magdadala ng clutch performance sa dying seconds. Napakainit ng atmosphere dito at ramdam na ramdam ang gigil ng parehong teams. Sino ang mananaig and ang high-octane offense ng Cursido Motors or ang strategic playmaking ng JB Hearts? Malalaman natin yan in just a few minutes. So that's all the updates I have for now. This is Zai from the side of the Cursido Motors, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga ang ating Cursido Motors, handang-handa na ngayong gabing ito to reclaim their victory against JB Hart. So it will be a good fight between these two teams dahil nasabi na nga natin dito, may itong ating mga players from the side of Carcino Motors, we have Benoobra Punzalan, we have Relata Alaray, Caroche Carlo, and Joseph Caroche na maglalaro ngayong gabing ito. So it will be a good matchup between the JB Heart and the JB Heart as well. And napakaganda ng performance nila pinakita during the opening of Oragon Basketball League. And up until now, wala pa po silang talo. So this is a good fight for JB Heart. Ito na yung pagkakataon na talaga nila na talagang testingin kung hanggang ngayon nandyan pa rin yung kanilang laban. And to hear an update, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Tina and Jasper. Good evening, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans all around the world who are watching us live via GNN TV 48 Naga o Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the most awaited game this season, the JB Heart versus the Carcino Motors. Live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa NCF Covered Court. Ako po si Kyla Casulia at ako ang maghahatid ng balita on the side of the JB Heart. For the most awaited game this season, they are now ready to have another win. Mga dating kakampi sa iba't ibang liga, ngayon ay kanilang makakalaban. As I talked with Coach Alex a while ago, he told me that they focus on familiarization on their opponent. They review their game and of course, the movement of each player. We can expect that JB Heart will give us a good game today as they are prepared for this game against the Carcino Motors. Coach Alex continuously reminds the team to enjoy the game, play some mortar, and defend the title as undefeated this season. Ayan muna ang update sa side ng JB Heart. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the JB Heart. Ayun na nga at magandang bakbakan yung naghihintay sa atin. And 2 minutes remaining before we end or before we start our tip-off because it's the official warm-up for both of these teams. Hatid sa atin yan ng ating partners, our media partners. We have GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. And as we can see, medyo marami yung ating audiences na nakatutok or nandito sa ating NCF Covered Court para manood ng ating live bakbakan for this matchup. Napakagandang bakbakan, I swear, Tin. Magandang laban yung naghihintay sa atin. Dahil ayun na nga, as you have mentioned earlier, veterans yung ating mga players for both of these teams, lalong-lalo na itong Carcino Motors. They have been entries or meron silang mga entries from then and now na talagang commercial league yung kanilang sinasalihan dahil proven and tested naman ata yung kanila mga players. So hindi basta-bastang panlaban kung saan-saan lang, talagang kayang-kaya nilang makipagsabayan doon sa ating malalaking liga. While on the other side also, JB Heart parehas din po sumasali sa mga commercial leagues with their bang players. Napakagandang pagkakataon na makita silang magsagupaan. And it's on the Oragon Basketball League once again. And yun naman pong mga hindi makakapunta for this game, meron po tayong live coverage via GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Yung mga timbahay natin dyan na tiyak mapapasigaw at mapapahawak sa kanilang mga inuupuan maya-maya lamang dahil sa init at sa ganda ng matchup na nag-aabang sa atin. And of course, ang ating mga live audiences dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, grabe, napakagandang performance ang naghihintay sa atin. Talaga kung magbabayad sila ng entry fee dito, sulit na sulit, parang may sukli pa yung maibabao nilang na mapapanood nila magpa-flashbacks kahit sa panaginip din magpapakita itong mga players natin na ito.
And of course, kahit hindi man po kayo makapanood dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, live na live din naman po tayo sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon Facebook page. Para sa mga malalayan, of course, late na din po ngayong gabing ito, kaya naman yung iba nasa kanilang mga bahay, sa kanilang eskwelahan man, na nanonood at susuportahan itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. At kailangan po nila dahil napakaganda, siguradong napakagandang performance po yung ibibigay nitong ating dalawang kupunan, veteran players of the basketball, yung ating mapapanood ngayong gabing ito. And in just a few minutes, mag-start na po ang laban ng JB Hart and Carcito Motors only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo, kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here at the Naga College Foundation Covered Court dahil magsisimula na itong ating napakagandang bakbakan, most anticipated match for the Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. This will be the first time na magtatapat itong dalawang mabigat na teams na ito dito sa ating hardcourt. It will be the Carcito Motors and the JB Hart Tire Supply. Napakagandang bakbakan to, Tin. And guaranteed na yan, Tin. Dahil ayun nga, as we have mentioned earlier, veterans player kadalasan or yung karamihan na maglalaro dito for both of these teams now. So we are about to start the tip-off. Magalong and jersey number 24 for that jump ball.
And of course, mukhang mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabing ito dahil kasabay ng intensity ng dalawang kupunan na ito, talagang mag-e-enjoy tayo dun sa ipapakita nilang mga opensa, depensa, gameplay communication inside the court. So ito talaga yung hinihintay natin ngayon na maglaro, ang Carcido and JB Hart. At first ball possession nga, ititinda natin dito. Now, we are starting our first quarter of our matchup of JB and Carcido. Now, it's Marjon Barte, the inbound para sa side ng JB Hart. Now, an opportunity for them to get the first basket here. Now, Marjon, 20 seconds to shoot. Pass on the other side here. But still, coming from Carcido Motors, Alaray, papasok sa loob. And that is the first basket of Carcido Motors. Now, this is an intense matchup between these two teams. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero ramdam na po natin ang ganda ng laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, defensive rebound here. One more time for Perea. And that's good. Both teams meron ng putos para sa ating first quarter. What a good defense.
Now let's take a look at this. Carcido Motors on the offense. Caroche to jersey number 45, Alaray. And now to Diang. What a rotation. Napakaganda nun. Nakita natin si Caroche galing dun sa gitna. Napunta agad dun sa corner to get that shot. But here comes jersey number 5 of the JB Hart, Magalong Arnold, to get that second point for them.
Now, Carcido Motors, anong pambawi dito? Big man para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, Ramos heavily guarded here. Papasok sa loob. But a whistled foul here. Tatawagan ng foul si jersey number 5 ng Carcido Motors. And now, it is still the ball possession of Carcido Motors. Now, Alaray to inbound. Passes on the other side, Ramos. Papasok sa loob, heavily guarded dito.
May pit na depensa by the JB Hart, and now they are on their offense right now. Perea to Barde, back to Perea. Pull-up jumper was good on the side of the JB Hart, and angat na nga sila dito ng 4 na puntos. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating Carcido Motors. Alaray back to Caroche.
Napakaganda ng mga ball rotation dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Talagang match kung match para dito sa dalawa. Now, Alaray, pass here to his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Diang back to Alaray. Down to 7. What will they do now? Heavily guarded here. Loses that ball. Pero just jersey number 34. And that ball will stay on their side. At wala pa nga dito yung iba sa mga key players ng Carcido Motors. Buena Obra as well as Relata. Wala pa para dito sa ating first quarter. But now let's see here. Alaray to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Now, jersey number 22. Marjon with that steal. Nagmamadali dito. Marjon, titira. No good.
That is a missed opportunity for the JB Hart. And now Alaray now to Ramos. And talagang pinasiguro na yun itong si jersey number 34 of the Carcido Motors, Baao. And this time it's the JB Hart on the offense. Barde on the outside looking for a good opportunity here. 4-6 ang ating score. Let's see, Perea will be fighting for 3. No good on that shot. And here comes Caroche to secure that defensive rebound. Alaray, ipapantay na nga yung kanilang puntos. Dito 10 puntos ng ating JB Hart. Deadlock at 6 points ang ating score 10.
Napakaganda ng performance agad na pinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Lahat ng players nagko-contribute dito sa JB Hart as well as sa Carcido Motors. Now, an opportunity for Carcido. Nagmamadali dito, Carlo Caroche with that layup. Now, anong pambawi dito ng JB Hart dahil palitan lang ng puntos para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, Perea passes here to Taugan. But a whistled foul there.
Now let's take a look kung anong gagawin nila dito as Beron checking in for the Carcido Motors in change of Baao. Now let's see because it's the ball possession of the JB Hart. Now, jersey number 12 Aquino. No good on that shot, but here comes jersey number 5. para ipasiguro yon na Magalong Arnold for that shot. Now, Carcido Motors, Caroche magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the Carcido Motors.
6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now Alaray with 10 seconds to shoot here. What will he do? Heavily guarded here. Passes to Diang. Now Diang on the inside. And that's para dito kay jersey number 8 ng Carcido Motors. It's Beron. Now JB Hart on the offense. 10-8, 2 puntos ang hinahabol nila dito against Carcido. Marjon, dire-diretso. Denied. Too long for that pass.
But it's the same ball possession here for the Carcido Motors as Kent Taugan resulting that ball to go out of bounds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter of this ball game. And now it's Carcido Motors Beron to Caroche on the outside. Didiretso ngayon, napakadaming bantay. Ang lalaki ng bantay. Beron coming short on that shot. Now JB Hart on the offense, jersey number 5 Magalong. And now Kent Taugan naman ngayon, pull-up jumper. Masasabayan pa nga dyan ni jersey number 45 of the Carcido Motors, Alaray. Let's take a look once again, Tin. Nasabayan nga siya doon ni Alaray. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline.
At ngayon nga, Jasper, Relata and Lumberio checks in para dito sa side ng Carcido Motors. At kung matatandaan niyo po on that last game of Carcido Motors against UNC Tri-Fit, itong dalawang player na to ng Carcido Motors, napakaganda nung ipinakita nilang performance at sigurado na ngayon pa lang magpapakitang gilas na to si Relata. Ilang beses ng best player of the game on their side. Now, also aswer nasa loob na din ng court para dito sa ating Carcido Motors. Now, let's see kung anong pambawi dito ng Carcido Motors. Relata. No good. At matatawagan nga po ng technical itong si Magalong. And instant replay on that last sequence. And that is brought to you by Safe Gasoline.
Ayun na nga, at kakapasok lang dito Tin ni Relata, makakakuha agad siya dito ng 2 free throws for that foul. And I think technical free throw pa dahil matatawagan dito ng or natawagan dito ng technical foul itong si Arnold Magalong on the side of the JB Hart. Ayan na nga, ito na yung kanyang technical free throw Tin for Relata on the side of the Carcido Motors. Grabe, kakapasok niya pa lang yun Tin.
Oo.
So let's see kung ilan pa yung maiko-contribute or ano pa itong maiko-contribute ni Relata for the Carcido Motors.
Talagang sigurado na talagang itong si Relata maglalaro on 100% para dito sa Carcido Motors. We've seen him play many times. Ngayon pa ba magbabawas yung performance ni Relata knowing that it's JB Hart that they're against? Now, JB Hart, Relucio for a 3-pointer. No good. No, Carcido Motors on the offense now. Lumberio passes to Aswer. Aswer heavily guarded by Taugan. Nako, grabing depensa pinapakita ngayon ng JB Hart. Relata. No good. Medyo malamig pa si Relata dito sa side ng Carcido Motors. But let's see as we continue this 4 minutes and 16 seconds of first quarter.
Now let's see. It's the ball possession of the JB Hart. Barde for that sideline inbound. Mendoza rather. And now Mendoza on the outside. Passes it to Relucio. And now Kent Taugan. Back to Relucio. A good ball rotation here. Mendoza on the outside. Attacking ngayon. Barde still coming from Aswer. And now jersey number 81 Lumberio. Matatawagan dito ng double dribbling violation. And a turnover here for the JB Hart.
Now, ito yung kailangang bawasan nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Yung mga turnovers nila dahil malaking opportunity na yon para sa kanilang mga kalaban dito. Now, Buenaobra checks in para dito sa ating Carcido Motors. Mendoza. Heavily guarded, pass to Relucio, now on the inside. 10 seconds to shoot, nagkakaagawan dito. And Carcino Motors gets that ball. Now Lumberio tries for a 3-pointer, no good. Pero a foul was whistled here, so it will be JB Hort's basketball. 11-9, 2 puntos lamang yung hinahabol dito ng JB Hort at mapapatawag pa nga dyan ng timeout. 3 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. At ang ating timeout na yan, hatid sa atin ng Nogcast Construction and Supply. Now, tingnan natin yung ating mga naunang gameplay dito. Napakagandang performance coming from Carcino Motors and JB Hort. Dito sa side ng Carcino Motors, talagang nagpakitang gilas agad dito yung ating mga players as well as doon sa side ng JB Hort. And talagang well distributed yung game plan dito ng dalawang kupunan. Lahat ng players naglalaro, lahat ng players nagko-contribute ng napakaganda dito. And maganda din yung ipinapakita connection nito mga players ng JB Hort as well as the Carcino Motors. Now let's see as we continue this first quarter kung sino nga ba ang mananaig dito sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Now JB Hart Mendoza, pull-up jumper was good on the side of the JB Hart, and now Carcino Motors, anong gagawin dito since deadlock na tayo 10 sa 11 points. Grabe, nakikita na natin yung paulit-ulit kong sinasabi kanina na napakagandang performance yung nag-aantay sa atin, and ito na yun 10. Now Buena Obra, hands ito jersey number 7, now jersey number 81 Lumberio di diretso, but a turnover here for the JB Hort. Matatawagan nga dyan ng foul. Now this time, JB Hort, ano kaya yung idadagdag dito na performance? And of course, almost an alley-oop play. No good on the 2 attempts by Kenta Ugan. Grabe yung rejection dun. Itong si jersey number 8. Talagang malaki kung malaki. Big man kung big man daw, sabi ni Beron. Pero hindi niya dun papayagang easy conversion of points dun itong ating JB Hart. Now Relata.
Now passes to Aswer. Now Aswer. Nakuha na nga ng JB Hart. Bellarmino ngayon. Passes to Togan. Getting that basket. Napakaganda ng connection ng mga players dito sa side ng JB Hart. Palitan lang din ng puntos yung nangyayari dito. Kaya talagang hindi natin alam kung kanino ba yung momentum dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Buena Obra getting that basket.
And now JB Hart on the offense. Mendoza once again. Nagdadala ngayon ng bola on the outside. With 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Jersey number 88, no good on that triple. And now Kenta Ugan, no good. Pero this time, may kasabay na yung foul that is coming from jersey number 8, Beron of the Carcino Motors. So we'll see kung makukuha yan ni Taugan, adding their score. And that first free throw was good on the side of the JB Hart, courtesy of Kenta Ugan.
Now, 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter at kitang-kita naman po natin sa ating puntos ngayon na talagang dikit na dikit yung laban nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Walang gustong humiwalay dito, walang gustong kumuwala sa magandang momentum na nasimulan nitong dalawang kupunan. But a steal coming from JB Hart Bellarmino. Pero mawawala yung bola sa kanilang possession. Kaya naman, it will be an advantage for Carcino Motors. 13-15, 2 puntos lamang yung nahabol dito ng Carcino Motors.
Now let's see, Carcino Motors on the offense. Jersey number 10. And now to Beron on the outside, well guarded by Mendoza. Grabe, napakagalaw nitong si Mendoza. Talagang maaagawan ka dito ng bola. But a foul coming from jersey number 13, Remolio. That is a blocking foul. Let's take a look once again sa ating instant replay. Ayun na nga, blocking foul ang itatawag dito kay Remoto. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline. Now, Carcido Motors, Lumberia for that sideline inbound. And now on the corner, almost stealing that ball, Mendoza. Grabe talaga itong si Mendoza. Napakagalaw, napakabilis, napakaliksitin on the side of the JB Hart. Let's take a look kung anong gagawin dito ng ating Carcido Motors. Relata almost getting that triple, but now it's the JB Hart, Ken Taogan on the offense, and now to Mendoza. Now on the corner, that is a 3 coming from the JB Hart.
Now, this is the biggest gap we have para dito sa ating first quarter. It is a 5-point lead coming from JB Hart. At medyo malamig pa nga dito sa ating first quarter itong si Relata. But with that assist para dito kay jersey number 8 ng Carcido Motors na si Beron. And that assist is brought to you by Mariano Optical. Now, JB Hart with an opportunity to bring back that gap into 5 points. Now, Relucio, pass to his teammate, no good. Offensive rebound, one more time, wala pa rin. Now we only have 12 seconds remaining. And this is an opportunity for Carcido Motors to tie the game or even get close to that 3-point cap of JB Hart. Now, Relata. Relata, heavily guarded here. Sinabi nating medyo malamig pa dito, nabitawan yung bola.
Stepping on the line natin yung itatawag dyan kay jersey number 81 of the Carcido Motors, and that will be a turnover for the JB Hart. 2 seconds remaining, and that will be outside once again, and isang segundo na lamang yung natitira dito for the Carcido Motors. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. Will it be a buzzer beater shot? Let's see. And ayun na nga, muntik pang makuha ni Mendoza yung bola for the JB Hart. And that's the end of our first quarter. 3-point lead ng ating JB Hart. Don't go away because we'll be right back after this short commercial break brought to you by 3N Bakery, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran.
And we are back again for our second quarter of this enhanced matchup of JB Hart and Carcido Motors. And as we can see on our scoreboard, it is 15-18. A 3-point lead of JB Hart. Talagang napaka-intense. First quarter pa lang, pinakitaan na talaga tayo ng napaka-intense na laban. Itong ating dalawang kupunan sa side ng Carcido Motors. We have Lumberio, Buenaobra, talagang nag-step up dito. While on the other side, JB Hart, it is Mendoza and Relucio. At ngayon nga, nagpaulan ng tres dito sa side ng Carcido Motors. It is Mendones. At ngayon, another deadlock, 18-all para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So now, as Carcido Motors open the second quarter, how will this unfold? Dahil kitang-kita naman natin itong dalawang kupunan ayaw magpaiwan sa larong ito. No, Taogan, first free throw, no good. Now let's take a look para doon sa kanyang pangalawang free throw. And even free throws, napaka-importante para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, another free throw for Taogan here.
A chance here to extend their lead to 19 points. Let's see, Ken Taugan on the free throw line. And that's good for his third attempt on that free throw line. And now Carcito Motors will be having that offense. Now let's see, jersey number 10 Mendones, anong gagawin dito? Buena Obra almost still coming from Ken Taugan. Buena Obra ngayon didiretso. At makukuha na ngayon ni Buena Obra. 2 points here for the Carcito Motors. Now JB Hart Mendoza. 9 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Let's see. Jersey number 88 didiretso at makukuha pa ni Belarmino. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Kyla on the side of the JB Hart. Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tina and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Kita nga ang laban and the game is getting more intense. Coaches reminds him na maging all out na at huwag na wag hayaang makahabol ang kalaban pag sila ay nakakalamang na. We can see the eagerness of the JB Hart to really get this game and defend their title as the undefeated for this season. During the huddle, coaches reminds them with their lapses that they need to lessen for this quarter. They need a proper communication to avoid turnovers and to have a good ball rotation. Pinalahanan sila na magdoble effort. Watch out for the drop passes of the opponents, and whoever is in front have their best defense, especially the backs out. And of course, they need to be sure and aggressive this time. Unang update sa side ng JB Hart, balik sa inyo, Tina and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla. At ayan nga, Coach Alex emphasizes that they need to lessen their turnovers here right now at this moment dahil napaka-intense ulit ng ating laban. And of course, sinabi din dito ni Kyla na kapag nakalamang sila dito, kailangan siguraduhin na nilang hindi makakahabol yung Carcito Motors. But as we can see right now, kapag lumamang yung JB Hart, hahabol yung Carcito Motors. So ano kaya yung mangyayari dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na to? Nasa second quarter pa lamang tayo pero grabe na yung kanilang ipinapakita dito. Hindi pa po to semifinals or quarterfinals. This is just the elimination round of our Oragon Basketball League LFL Cup Season 1. At para dito sa ating Carcito Motors na naghahabol ng isang putos, ano yung kanilang gagawin dito? And to hear an update, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Tin and Jasper. Papasok tayo sa second quarter ng matindi ang bakbakan. Both teams playing with intensity, proving that this game is all about prediction and precision. Ngayon sa second quarter, magiging susi ang execution at adjustments. Kailangang mahanap ng Carcito Motors ang consistency sa kanilang opensa, habang kailangan tumibay palalo ang depensa ng JB Hearts para mapigilan ang transition game ng kalaban. Abangan natin kung sino ang may upper hand bago tayo pumasok sa halftime. So balik muna sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the Carcito Motors. 25-26 ang anong score. A point lead coming from the JB Hart. So let's see kung ano pa yung idadagdag nila dito as this is their opportunity. And now, let's see. Makuha pa nga dyan ng foul itong si jersey number 14 of the JB Hart. That is Perea, and this will be a 2 free throws for Perea of the JB Hart. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for our first half. Napakadikit ng ating laban, 25-26, at mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout itong ating Carcito Motors courtesy of Coach Reden Carrillo. Let's take a look sa ating mga highlights or instant replays for the first half. Napakagandang laban yung natutunghayan natin. And of course, parehas gustong makuha din yung panalo. Parehas sigurado at parehas determinado. And of course, titingnan natin kung ano yung mga ginawang adjustments doon ni Coach Reden on the side of the Carcito Motors pagdating sa kanilang opensa at of course sa kanilang depensa, dahil isang puntos lamang yung lamang dito ng JB Hart. So kayang-kaya nilang gumawa ng sarili nilang kwento for this game.
And of course, Jasper, ito kanina natin sinabi na talagang kapag JB Hart and Carsido Motors yung naglaban, sisiguraduhin natin isang maganda yung laro na ipapakita nitong dalawang ito. And of course, ganito pala yung feeling na kapag mga veterano na yung naglalaro sa isang court, talagang bigay todo para sa dalawang team na to. And dito sa ating second quarter, a very intense one. Ano pa kaya yung ipapakitang magandang laban dito ng dalawang kupunan? Now, Carsido Motors naghahabol ng 3 puntos dito. Alaray passes to Diang. Now tries, no good. JB Hart on the offense now. Now let's see if they can get this big gap. Pero Carsido Motors mukhang hindi hahayaan na mas lumaki yung kalamangan ng JB Hart. And Buena Obra getting that 2 points. Now just a point lead of JB Hart.
Now let's see, Barde, anong gagawin dito? Now on the right wing, jersey number 11, didiretso ngayon for the JB Hart. Perea almost losing that ball. Perea, and ayun na nga, natuluyan na Carlo Carroche. Libreng-libre, didiretso na nga dyan. At a change of favor here for the Carsido Motors and the JB Hart, 29-28. Let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating JB Hart Relucio. And now Perea on the mid-range. No good on that mid-range jumper. And here comes Felix Andrew Diang. Makukuha nga yan ni Perea. Pipigilan na yung kanilang opportunity dito. Let's take a look at this. Another steal coming from Carlo Carroche. Ang ating kauntol, didiretso na dyan. But the same ball possession as Perea will be resulting that ball to go out of bounds. Let's take a look at our instant replay 10. Grabe yung mga pagsuntot, pagdukot. And this time, yung libreng-libreng Carlo Carroche dito, makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 points for the Carsido Motors. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline.
At ngayon nga, Carsido Motors with this ball possession, but Obra loses that ball, pero Diang was there. Now Carlo Carroche again tries for a mid-range, no good. Pero isang puntos nasa side pa rin ng Carsido Motors. Can JB Hart get it again? No good. Now, Buena Obra passes to Alaray. Now Alaray for a 3-pointer. That's good! A very big 3 coming from Alaray. Brought to you by Gilmar Casa Descanso.
Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong si Alaray on the side of the Carsido Motors, extending their lead to 4 big points for our second quarter. Now let's see. Another steal coming from the Carsido Motors. Carlo Carroche. Nilabas pa kay Diang for 3. No good. Felix Andrew Diang. And now Perea for the JB Hart. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila dito. 10. Jersey number 8, Barde. Third drop shot was good on the side of the JB Hart. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining for our first half. 2 big points. 2-point lead ng ating Carsido Motors.
Actually, Jasper, yung 2 points na kalamangan, malaki na para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. But as we can see right now, JB Hart now an opportunity for them to tie the game here or even take on the lead. But Carsido Motors getting that ball. Diang now with the possession. Now goes inside. No good. Sayang. A lost opportunity for Carsido Motors.
Grabe.
At talagang bigay todo para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan.
That is almost a 3-point play opportunity for Ramos of the Carsido Motors. Grabe yung performance. Very commendable performance for Carroche and Diang of the Carsido Motors. Grabe yung pag-steal dito ni Carroche. Napakaliksi. And mas napapadalas din yung kanyang steals dito. And of course, resulting to an opportunity here for the Carsido Motors. And of course, yung buong team 10, napakaganda ng kanilang coordination. And of course, yung kanilang communication inside the hardcourt nakikita natin. And 3 points yung lamang ng ating Carsido Motors.
At ngayon nga, tama ka nga doon, Jasper, that Diang and Carroche yung nagdala para sa second quarter ng Carsido Motors. At kahit late lang po ngayong gabi ito, andyan pa rin po kayo sumusubaybay dahil yung mga ganitong laro talagang hindi ka aantukin. At tatawagan pa nga dyan ng offensive foul dito sa side ng JB Hart. So an opportunity again with this 3-point lead of Carcito Motors. Can they adjust it to much more gap against JB Hart? Now let's see here. Jersey number 18 passes to De Young. 15 to shoot here. Carcito Motors, anong gagawin nila dito? Back to Carlo Caroche. Papasok. Too short for that one. And still no good for that second chance. But a whistled foul there. Tatawagan nga ng foul si jersey number 12 sa side ng JB Hart na si Aquino.
Grabe. Napapadalas na rin dito yung mga free throw opportunities itong ating Carcito Motors. And this time, it's Ramos once again for the Carcito Motors. Grabe, napakagandang opportunity ito for them to extend their lead. And this time, 5 puntos na nga din yung lamang nila dito. Well, kanina nga na-mention mo na yung 2 puntos is malaki na for both of these teams dahil ayun nga, napakahirap pumuntos dahil sa higpit ng depensa na pinapakita ng parehas na team na ito. But this time, 5 literally big points for the Carcito Motors.
And even sa free throw line, napakalaki nung percentage ng shooting dito ng Carcito Motors. Kaya yun, kailangan ingatan ng JB Hart at this point. Now, Aquino, heavily guarded here. Passes to jersey number 1 now. Munti ka nang mawala. Still no good for JB Hart at this point. Mukhang itong Carcito Motors, paunti-unti nang lumalayo doon sa depensa ng JB Hart. Now, jersey number 79, De Young passes here to jersey number 8, Beron. Now, 8 seconds to shoot here. De Young papasok sa loob. No good. And a whistled foul there. So, it will be the ball possession of JB Hart as De Young was called into pushing foul.
And that forces the JB Hart to call a timeout. 5 puntos na nga yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. What will they do now? Let's take a look dun sa ating mga highlights for our first half. That is Caroche for that basic or that libreng layup from Astel to conversion of points. And this time, 3-pointer naman. And Barde of the JB Hart, meron din tayo dyang highlights for Barde. And this time, we'll see kung ano yung magiging adjustments dito ng ating JB Hart after this timeout. And of course, ano yung gagawin nila para mahinto yung momentum na nasisimula nitong ating Carcito Motors.
Now, that's a 5-point lead coming from Carcito Motors. A great way to end our first half. And as we can see, beautiful ladies from our audience. And yun nga, JB Hart now with this ball possession. Martinez, no good. Carcito Motors on the offense right now again. Jersey number 81 passes to his teammate Trilata back on the court here. Now Caroche, no good. And a whistled foul, and that ball possession will go on to the side of JB Hart. And we only have 1 minute and 37 seconds para dito sa ating first half, Jasper.
Ayan, at nahihirapan pa rin din itong ating JB Hart na makapuntos dito. Minute and 37 seconds remaining. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating JB Hart para naman na makapuntos. And now Perea on the outside to Martinez. And now Martinez, well guarded here. Martinez, diretso Martinez. Makakakuha pa nga dyan ng 3-point play opportunity. Let's take a look once again. Grabe itong si Martinez, big man of the JB Hart. And that instant 3 play is brought to us by Save Gasoline. Dahil kay Martinez din, yung puntos or yung score nitong ating JB Hart nakausog na from the 30 points. And now 32, a chance to make this 33 by Jerome Martinez of the JB Hart.
Na kung merong kauntol sa side ng Carcito Motors, meron din tayong Boss Carepa sa side ng JB Hart. And as we can see right now, 2 puntos lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng ating JB Hart. Caroche with this ball with 14 seconds to shoot. Now, Bao, heavily guarded here, passes to Lumberio. Now, Relata, a good ball rotation here for Carcito Motors. but still no good here. An opportunity for JB Hart to tie the game here. Marjon loses that one, and a steal coming from Carcino Matters. An opportunity here. 49 seconds remaining. And still, ball possession pa rin dito ng Carcino Matters.
48 seconds remaining for our first half. 2-point lead ng ating Carcino Motors. Let's see kung ilan pa yung idadagdag nila dito. 19 seconds shot clock for the Carcino Motors with Relata for that sideline inbound. And now Relata to Lumberio. A good ball rotation. Carlo Carroche. Now, jersey number 8. Relata naman ngayon. Beron ang pupuntos dito for the Carcino Motors, extending their lead to 4 points. Let's see, 30 seconds. Anong gagawin dito ng ating JB Hart? Barde on the outside.
Now, JB Hart nagkahabol dito against Carcino Matters. Marjon releases a 3. No good. Now, Carcino Matters, Carroche one more time. Mas pinalaki pa yung puntos dito. 6-point gap. I think this is the biggest gap of Carcino Matters against JB Hart. And now with only 2 seconds, can they get a point? Pero dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half, ending it with 39-33 in favor of Carcino Matters. At sa ating kubabalik ang ating second half of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, brought to you by MNL Kingpin.
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Walang makatatalo sa laro.
And we are back live here at the Naga College Foundation covered court, and this time we are on the second quarter or second half of action. And as we can see on your screen, it's the tropa of the game watching live here at the NCF covered court. And of course, atid sa atin yan ng C Plus Electrolyte drink. Once again, our tropa of the game by C Plus Electrolyte drink. And we are on the second half of action. 6-point lead ng ating Carcedo Motors ang kailangang habulin dito ng ating JB Hart. So let's see kung ano yung mga performances na ipapakita nila dito sa ating second half.
Now, ito Jasper, balikan lang natin yung naging performance nitong JB Hart and Corsido Motors during our first half. It was a great performance coming from this both teams. Dito, umpisahan muna natin sa ating Corsido Motors. We have Lumberio, Caroche, Diang, talagang doon sa ating second quarter, talagang nag-step up sila for their team. We also have Relata na talagang ngayon, dire-diretso na yung pag-init niya sa loob ng court. And on the side of JB Hart, napakaganda din po ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. We have Marjon Balde, we also have Martinez, Taugan, and the rest of the players of the JB Hart showcasing their talents and skills dito sa laban natin. Game 3, Corsido Motors and JB Hart. Now, dito sa ating second half, what will happen? Dire-diretso ba yung pagkuha ng magandang momentum dito ng Corsido Motors or JB Hart babawi dito ng panibagong magandang momentum? Now, JB Hart on the offense. 4 na puntos po ang kanilang hinahabol dito. Aquino, or Togan rather, with that mid-range jumper. And down to 2 points ang kalamangan ng Corsido Motors.
Now, let's see kung anong gagawin pa dito ng ating Corsido Motors with Carlo Caroche. Magtatawid ngayon ng bola. And Benaobra on the outside looking for a good opportunity here. Hands it to Relata. And now on the corner, ngayon naman jersey number 24 Ramos. No good on that shot. JB Hart mukhang bumabawi dito. 2 puntos na lamang yung kailangan nilang idikit dito. Let's see. Perea hands it to jersey number 23 Taugan. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Zai on the side of the Corsido Motors. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, Jasper. And then, papalapit na tayo sa final quarter. At Corsido Motors ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan during the second quarter, leading by 6 points. Kita natin kung paano nila ginamit ang kanilang fast-paced offense at pressure defense para mapanatili ang kontrol sa laro. Sa simula ng third quarter, nagkaroon ng magandang run ang Corsido Motors, capitalizing on forced turnovers at transition plays. Kita rin natin kung paano sila naging agresibo sa ilalim, attacking paint at drawing fouls para makuha ng easy points mula sa free throw line. That's all the updates I have from now from the side of the Corsido Motors. Kaya balik muna sa inyo, Jasper Enten.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the Corsido Motors. And ayun na nga, nakita natin 3-point play opportunity bago nagtawag dito ng timeout itong ating JB Hart. Let's take a look once again sa ating instant 3-play. That will be Ken Taugan for that mid-range jumper. Napakagandang tira. And this time naman, Relata connection to jersey number 81. Back to Relata. Makakakuha nga dito ng 3 points play opportunity, Relata, for the Corsido Motors. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Kyla Casulia on the side of the JB Hart. Kyla, what's the update?
Thank you, Tin and Jasper. We are now on our third quarter of this game at patuloy nga ang gitgita na laban sa dalawang koponan, and JB Hart are all reminded by Coach Alex sa mga kanilang kailangan gawin, kaya talaga namang ito'y kanilang sinusunod for their team. During the huddle, Coach Alex reminds the team to always step up, lalo na pang nagkakamali ang kanilang teammate. Walang sisihan, be patient at gamitin ang kanilang advantages. They need to double their efforts so that they will be consistent on their play, and especially on their offense and defense. No room for complacency here, and they need to continue the good performance and always stay on their composure. Yan muna ang update sa ng JB Hart. Balik sa inyo, Tina and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yun na nga yung kailangan ngayon ng JB Hart. Lessen the turnovers, good communication between the players. Ito yung kailangan nila ngayon, most especially na again, we are deadlock on 42 all. Pero bago ang lahat, pasalamatan lang din po natin ang ating mga sponsors here. City Administrator Lito Del Rosario and Office of the City Mayor, and also sa Gracias Catering Services. Maraming salamat po. Now, JB Hart on the offense, an opportunity to take on the lead once again para dito sa ating third quarter, and Taugan no good on that 3-point attempt na Relata. Mapupunta sa JB Hart ang ball possession once again. Now, jersey number 23. No good. Grabing depensa pinapakita ngayon ng Carcino Motors. And now, nakuha na nga ng JB Hart yung kanilang 2 puntos na kalamangan dito coming from Magalong. Now, Alaray. 15 to shoot here for Carcino Motors. Passes here to Benaobra. Benaobra now. Too short for that one. And let's see here. Ang oportunidad na naman para dito sa JB Hart. Ito na yung sinasabi ni Coach Alex dito. No room for complacency. If they can get the lead, maintain it. Talagang hindi na kailangan pahabulin dito yung Carcino Motors, knowing na napakadali lang para dito sa kupunan ng Carcino Motors na humabol. So JB Hart, kailangan gumawa ng paraan para mas paigtingin yung kanilang depensa dito. Now Alaray with 10 seconds to shoot. 2 puntos ang inahabol ng Carcino Motors. Now Alaray tries, no good. Nagkakaagawan dito, but that ball possession stays on the side of Carcino Motors with 14 seconds to shoot. Now,
5 minutes.
Ayan nga, we're halfway through our 3rd quarter here. And gusto lang din nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors, Lawan Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Superb Cuts and Soul, KD Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, and Crown Park. Maraming salamat po.
Now, Carcino Motors still on the offense. Pero lamang na po dito ang ating JB Hart ng 2 puntos. Now, Ramos losing that ball, but the same ball possession here as Magalong resulted that ball to go out of bounds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining with 7 seconds on the shot clock. Now, let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating Carcino Motors. Now, it will be jersey number 45 for that sideline inbound. And now, Relata. Now to Ramos securing that ball. Another out of bounds. The same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the Carcino Motors. Well, nakikita natin na nagkaroon na nga tayo ng change of favor dito, Tin, sa ating 3rd quarter, and 2 puntos yung lamang ng ating JB Hart. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito para maipantay o lumamang naman itong ating Carcino Motors. But this time, it's another steal. Grabe. Ayun na nga. Hindi naman talaga papayag na makalayo ng masyadong malayo itong ating JB Hart. Jersey number 7 matatawagan dito ng pushing foul as well on the side of the Carcino Motors.
And as we can see right now, we are deadlock with 44 all again. Pang ilang deadlock na po ang meron tayo dito sa matchup ng JB Hart and Carcino Motors. But at this point, JB Hart, an opportunity for them here. Now let's see if they can convert a point here. Mendoza, heavily guarded, tries, no good. And now Carcino Motors once again. Relata, papasok sa loob. Grabe yung galawan dito ni Relata. Maganda na yung nagiging pasok sa kanya dito ng kanilang mga puntos para sa Carcino Motors.
And now, change of favor once again. It's on the side of the Carcino Motors. Now, Mendoza on the outside with 7 seconds to shoot. Mendoza now to jersey number 5, getting that 2 points courtesy of jersey number 5, Arnold Magalong. And now gonna that triple by jersey number 45. That will be Alaray. And this time, JB Hart on the offense.
Grabe din yung point conversion dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Yung mga mahihirap na galawan ay nagagawan ng paraan. And now, aswer tatawagan dito ng foul sa side ng Carcino Motors. And Aquino, babalik dito sa side ng JB Hart para magbigay ng magandang depensa against Carcino Motors. Now, let's see here. Bellarmino ngayon may hawak. Heavily guarded, back to Magalong. Now, Magalong. Passes to Perea. And that's good. Ngayon, hanggang ngayon sa third quarter, hindi pa rin natin alam kung sino yung makakakuha ng panalo dito. Kasi dikit na dikit, kada puntos ng isa, hahabol yung isa. Maglalamang ng 5 puntos, pero hahabol ulit. Ganun ka-intense yung laro ng JB Hart and Cruzeiro Motors right now. Now, Alaray passes to Benaobra. 4 seconds to shoot here. Can they get a point? No good. Now, JB Hart, again, an opportunity for them to have a big gap against Cruzeiro Motors.
Now, JB Hart on the offense. Let's take a look at here. Arnold Magalong. Well guarded here by Ramos. Pero, matatawagan nga dito ng pushing foul, jersey number 24. And that will be a 3 points play opportunity for Arnold Magalong on the side of the JB Hart. Mapapatawag na nga dyan ng timeout itong ating Cruzeiro Motors dahil 4 na puntos na yung lamang nitong ating JB Hart. Let's take a look sa ating mga game highlights for the second half of action. Bakbakan ng ating Cruzeiro Motors and the JB Hart. Napakagandang bakbakan pa rin. And still, dikit na dikit yung ating laban 10. Well, magandang strategy ito ng ating Cruzeiro Motors na pansamantalang tigilan yung momentum na nasisimula nitong ating JB Hart dahil from 2-point lead now to 4-point lead and a chance here to make it 5 because 3 points play opportunity. Yung last shot niyan nitong si Arnold Magalong of the JB Hart.
And speaking of Magalong, siya yung nag-step up dito sa third quarter ng JB Hart. Grabe yung nilaro niya from the offense to the defense. JB Hart talaga yung may magandang performance dito sa third quarter. But at the same time, Cruzeiro Motors naghahabol din dito. And speaking of paghahabol, 5 puntos yung kailangang habulin dito ng Cruzeiro Motors. At kailangan nilang mahabol yan agad-agad kasi once na mas lumaki yung kalamangan ng JB Hart, medyo may hihirapan na dito ang Cruzeiro Motors na maghabol sa kanila because this is the strategy of Coach Alex na kapag lumaki na yung kalamangan na meron sila, no room for complacency, talagang dire-diretso yung pagkuha nila ng kalamangan dito sa side ng JB Hart. Now Relata releases, no good, and Asueros there for the offensive rebound. Now let's see if they can convert a point, but that will be the ball possession of JB Hart. And they're asking for a review here kung kanino nga ba yung ball possession na yan. So let's see as our officiating officials will take a look at it again kung yung ball possession ba mapupunta sa Cruzeiro Motors or yung una nilang decision, which is the JB Hart.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Kaya naman pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetics Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, City Administrator Lito Del Rosario, Tita Loida's Kitchenette, Angena Trading, owned and managed by Mr. Simon D. Angel's Pizza, located inside Yashana Mall's ground floor. And of course, Tan Dental Clinic, Barely There Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, Nick Z Shop, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mary's Coffee, Nisi Rafa Drug Mart, Tigers Cafe, Lemon Residences, Glass House Beach Resort, Crowd Hotel, Loud Zeruma, Taylor Swift, AET Ads, Pin Cafe, Home Pet, Skydeck Advertising, Crown Park, Think Pro Incorporated, Katie Sportswear, Superb Cuts and Slow, Ursol, Claypat Restaurant and Cafe, and Lemon Zone. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors for OBL Level Cup Season 1. Rumarami natin or dumadami yung ating mga sponsors. And according to that review, the ball will go on the side of the JB Hart. Mendoza will be firing for 3. And that will be a warning for him for faking a foul. Pero okay lang yun. 3 big points yun by Mendoza of the JB Hart.
And with that 3-pointer coming from Mendoza, it is an 8-point lead coming from JB Hart. Biggest gap of JB Hart at this matchup against Cruzeiro Motors. At Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng Cruzeiro Motors knowing na lumalaki na yung kalamangan na ginagawa ng JB Hart. Mukhang papatunayan talaga ng JB Hart na isa sila sa pinakamalalakas na team dito sa Oragon Basketball League. At parang ayaw nilang madungisan ng pagkatalo yung kanilang record ngayon. So let's see if yun nga yung mangyayari dito. Kasi meron pa tayong remaining last quarter here. At 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. And on that last free throw of Aswer, no good on that one. And one more time, it is JB Hart. Ball possession, in and out ball. Pero Mendoza again with that offensive rebound. Magalong, pass to Mendoza once again. No good this time. Cruzeiro Motors on the offense.
Now Lumberio, Cruzeiro Motors at 3 for Lumberio of the Cruzeiro Motors. Ibababa nga yan ni Lumberio sa 4 na puntos na lamang yung kalamangan dito ng JB Hart, and that is brought to us by Gilmar Casa Descanso. Napakagandang performance for both of these teams, and let's take a look at this dahil that will be a foul for Relata of the Cruzeiro Motors, and that is the penalty situation ng ating Cruzeiro Motors for reaching 5 fouls. And Magalong Arnold will be getting his 2 free throws on the side of the JB Hart. A chance here to extend their lead to 6 points. So let's see.
Ngayon talagang hindi hinayaan ng Cruzeiro Motors na lumamang ng napakalaki itong JB Hart dahil naibaba muli nila sa 4 yung kalamangan na kanilang hinahabol dito. But let's see here as Magalong on his second free throw if he can get it into 5-point lead against Cruzeiro Motors. Now, second free throw of Magalong. Let's see here. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Still no good para dito kay Magalong. Now, Cruzeiro Motors on the offense. Lumberio goes inside. That's good. At ngayon, Jasper, it is an opportunity for Cruzeiro Motors to take back again the momentum here. But let's see here. If JB Hart hindi papayag para muling madadlock tayo into 54 all Aquino. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Mendoza. And Cruzeiro Motors on the work.
It's a chance here to tie everything up dito sa ating third quarter with 43 seconds remaining. Lumberio with that screen coming from Buenaobra, and a mid-range jumper, no good on that shot, pero another chance for them dahil meron pa tayong natitirang oras. So let's see with jersey number 79, and now on the outside, jersey number 7, Buenaobra naman, mauubusan dito ng oras, Cruzeiro Motors, and that will be a turnover here to the JB Hart. Now the shot clock is off, and 20 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Let's see kung makakapuntos pa itong ating JB Hart. Talagang napaka-dikit ng ating laban din for this game. Now, let's see.
This is the last ball possession for our third quarter. 20 seconds remaining. And JB Hart, if they really want to get this lead, kailangan nilang paigtingin yung kanilang game plan dito sa natitirang 20 seconds or even 16 seconds of our third quarter. Now Tolgan passes to Mendoza. Can they get a point conversion here before the third quarter ends? Tolgan now. Papasok sa loob. Heavily guarded. And can Tolgan gets it? At naipasok pa nga yan ni Ken Tolgan. Let's take a look at it again on that last sequence. Kasi kahit grabe yung gwardiya dito ng Cruzeiro Motors, Ken Tolgan nagawan ng paraan para makakuha ng 4 na puntos na kalamangan against Cruzeiro Motors. And we will be back for our more intense fourth quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
All up in
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here at the NCF covered court for the fourth and final quarter. Bakbakan ng JB Hart and the Carcito Motors. Napakadikit na laban ang ating natutunghayan. 4-point lead ang ating JB Hart. So let's see kung sino ang mag-uwi ng panalo. Magpaparehas nga ba yung standing nila or mananatiling undefeated itong ating JB Hart. Napakagandang laban from the first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Consistent itong dalawang teams na ito sa performance na pinapakita nila sa opensa at depensang binibitawan nila. Kaya naman anybody's ball game for this point, and let's see kung sino ang mag-uwi ng panalo. Kenta Oganogan on that triple, but a whistle foul.
Now, Jasper, balikan natin yung nangyari during the third quarter. Itong JB Hart talaga nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na mas mapalaki yung kalamangan nila against Carcito Motors. But at the same time, yung Carcito Motors tinrabaho din yung naging 8 puntos na kalamangan dito ng JB Hart. At ngayon, balik sa 4. So let's see with this ball possession if Carcito Motors can get back on their momentum. Pero another steal here coming from JB Hart and Ken Togan getting that basket to start our last quarter here. So let's see. Patuloy-tuloy na naman yung magandang momentum dito sa side ng JB Hart. Titingnan natin if this will continue up until the end of this quarter and they can get the win and have a straight win sa season na to ng OBL. And to hear an update sa side ng JB Hart, andyan si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong gagawing preparasyon dito sa last quarter ng JB Hart?
Thank you, Ricatino. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup. And for the last quarter of the game, our JB Hart are reminded to be consistent on what they are showing. Consistency is the key. Keep playing because the game is not yet over. Go hard on the court at doble trabaho pa hanggang sa huling segundo ng laban na ito. They need to put more efforts on their defense. Hindi pa tapos ang laban kaya kailangan pang maging aggressive for this last quarter of the game. And during the huddle, Coach Alex reminds them to put more pressure on their opponent. Good communication is also a must for a good ball rotation this quarter. Well, the momentum continues on the side of the JB Hart. Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, balik sa inyo, Jasper and team.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the JB Hart. And as we can see, 6 points yung ating or yung hawak ng ating JB Hart for this game. 8 minutes remaining. So let's see, it's the Carcito on the offense. Let's take a look at this din. Napakalinaw yan. Ramos will be getting that 2 points. And this time, humingi naman tayo ng update on the side of the Carcito Motors. Nandyan rin ang kanilang courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
And then the momentum has completely shifted here in the fourth quarter. And Carcito Motors is now playing from behind after losing their lead. From controlling the pace earlier ngayon ay tila hirap sila makahanap ng rhythm sa palayang opensa at depensa. Defensively, their 2-3 zone defense has started to break down, allowing too many open looks from the outside. Kanina solid ang kanilang rotations, pero ngayon nagkakaroon na ng lapses sa pagbabantay, lalo na sa shooters. Kailangan nilang bumalik sa mas disiplinadong closeouts at communication para hindi na madagdagan ang deficit. Final minutes na at ito ang defining moment para sa Carcito Motors. Kaya kaya ba nilang makabalik at maiba ang takbo ng laro? Malalaman natin yan sa huling stretch ng fourth quarter. This is Shulmar Zaimaniano from the side of the Carcito Motors. Balik sa inyo, Jasper Enten.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, Carcito Motors admitted that they lose track on their defense doon sa nakaraang third quarter. Kaya naman talagang kailangan nilang pag-igihan itong last quarter na ito kasi this is their last chance to regain their victory dito sa Oragon Basketball League. At yun nga yung kailangan nilang pag-igihan ngayon, yung depensa na naputol during the third quarter. At yun nga yung tinake na advantage ng JB Hort. And makikita naman natin ngayon with that 5-point lead of JB Hort, they need to focus more on their defense. Kasi yun yung nilalaro ngayon ng JB Hort. So they need to be careful right now. Kasi we're almost halfway through our final quarter. JB Hort having this opportunity and a good momentum here. So let's see if this will continue to inbound. Passes here to jersey number 8. Wala pa rin para dito sa Cruzeiro Motors. Lionel passes to Taugan. What a good assist here. And that assist is brought to you by Mariano Optical. Cruzeiro Motors medyo napipressure na at this point of time. Dahil nakita nga natin kanina at nasabi nga din ng ating courtside reporter na si Zai na nabuwag nung JB Hort yung 2-3 zone defense ng Cruzeiro Motors. 16 seconds to shoot here. Relata to inbound. Now passes to jersey number 8. Babalik dito kay Lumberio. 13 to shoot. Papasok sa loob. And they will get it with a foul. So a 3-point opportunity for Cruzeiro Motors. Now let's take a look at it again. Doon sa ating last sequence as Lumberio gets inside at makakakuha ng foul dyan. Now, he is on that free throw line. So even free throws, napaka-importante para dito sa Cruzeiro Motors and they get it. 4 na puntos yung hinahabol ngayon ng Cruzeiro Motors. And now, JB Hort. Margin. That ball will stay sa side ng JB Hort with 12 seconds to shoot here. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Mendones papasok para dito sa side ng Cruzeiro Motors. Let's see here. At matatawagan nga ng technical dyan. Dito. Sa side ng Cruzeiro Motors, it is jersey number 24 Ramos na matatawagan ng technical foul. Now, 57-61, very intense game between Cruzeiro and JB Hort. So Relucio will be on that free throw line. At this point, yung ating Cruzeiro Motors, every opportunity counts here. Every ball possession, kailangan merong point conversion for their team. So this is still the ball possession of JB Hort. 57-61.
6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng JB Hort. Kung ilan pa yung idadagdag nila sa kanilang puntos since kanina pa rin silang lamang and medyo nahihirapang bumawi itong ating Cruzeiro Motors dahil doon sa higpit ng depensa na kanilang ipinapakita. But here comes jersey number 8 Mendones on the outside. Barde Rader and another Barde. Matatawagan dito ng traveling violation still. Hatid pa rin sa atin yan 10 ng Nagayon Shovel and Tours. And now it's the Cruzeiro Motors on the offense with 6 minutes and 2 seconds, 57-61 ang ating score. Relata back to jersey number 10, Mendones. So let's see. Relata on the outside. Now Ramos on the mid-range. Mendones fighting for 3. And that will be a 3 points for the Cruzeiro Motors. Isang puntos na lamang yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. And the crowd is going wild as they are down to another 4 points yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. Agad namang binura yung momentum na yun ni Taugan on the side of the JB Hort. Grabe. Mukhang ayaw talagang papuntusin, pahabulin itong ating Cruzeiro Motors. But Relata Still coming from Jerome Martinez. And now Mendoza. Makakakuha nga dyan ng layup using his left hand.
At ngayon nga, Jasper, kung kanina nabuhayan na yung Carcido Motors with that 3-pointer, ngayon, balik sa 6 yung kanilang hinahabol dito. So they need to maintain their defense. Now Ramos, heavily guarded here. And he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. Grabe. Nung nag-dress dito sa side ng Carcido Motors, sumagot naman agad si Taugan. Now let's take a look at it again on that 3-pointer coming from jersey number 10 of Carcido Motors and Ken Taugan ng JB Hart. Doon sa side ng Carcido Motors, it is Mendones. Nung nagbalik ng momentum sa side ng Carcido Motors, pero binawi agad ng JB Hart. So let's see with this remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds kung ano kaya yung mangyayari sa intense game na ito ng Carcido and JB. Now, kung manalo man po ang Carcido Motors dito, they will have the same standing as JB Hart. But if JB Hart get the win this evening, they're still number 1 for this Oragon Basketball League LFL Cup. Same with NCF Tigers with 4 win and 0 losses. Now, Mendones again. Passes here to Binaobra. No good.
Napakagandang connection sana from Mendones to Binaobra. But here comes Ken Taugan para pigilan kung ano man yung binabalak nila doon. And another steal coming from Relata of the Carcido Motors. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Sabi dito ni Ramos, magdahan-dahan tayo. Pero sabi dito ni jersey number 81, hindi pwede. Kailangan natin doble yung effort. Another missed opportunities. Back-to-back missed opportunities for the Carcido Motors. And ayun na nga, makakakuha pa dito ng 2 free throws itong ating JB Hart after that foul committed by jersey number 81 Lumberio, and that forces Coach Reden Carillo of the Carcido Motors to call a timeout. Nahihirapan sila dito, natigilan yung momentum na nasimulan nitong ating JB Hart dahil kung makikita natin nagtutuloy-tuloy na yung momentum nitong ating JB Hart, and the Carcido Motors is having a hard time to deploy their offense and also their defense. And on this instant replay, hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng safe gasoline. And of course, this timeout is brought to us by Nolecast Construction and Supply.
Ayan nga, Jasper. At nabuhayan din yung ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court dahil sa napaka-intense na laban ng Carcido and JB Hart. But now, 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining with 6-point lead coming from the side of JB Hart. And of course, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa 3 minutes and 57 na yan. Kaya hindi natin alam kung itong JB Hart dire-diretso ba yung magandang momentum na ipinapakita nila or Carcido Motors once again take over doon sa mga natitirang minuto ng laro. Now, Bellarmino, second free throw. That's good. Now, this ball possession is very important for Carcido Motors. Every ball possession counts para sa kanilang kupunan. Dahil sila yung naghahabol dito. Again, 8 big point lead coming from JB Hart. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 81. Tatawagan dito ng foul. At ngayon, they're asking that it is counted.
Grabe. Napakagandang chance naman to for the Carcido Motors because that will be counted and this will be a penalty for the Carcido Motors. So let's take a look at this. With Alaray standing on the free throw line, 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Masyadong umuonti natin yung oras natin for the fourth and final quarter dahil maya-maya lamang makikilala na natin or malalaman na natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi dito ng panalo for our third game. And of course, meron pa tayong fourth and last game. Hatid sa atin yan ng USA Falcons and of course ng Safe Jazz Tire Master. Now let's see JB Hart on the offense right now. Aquino on the outside. Now Mendoza on the corner, jersey number 88. Ibabalikin kay Mendoza. Titira ng tres. Almost getting that shot. Magalong with that offensive rebound.
Pero traveling violation yung naitawag dito. So an opportunity for Cruzeiro Motors. 6-point gap of JB Hart. And we only have 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. And at this point of time, will Cruzeiro Motors once again take over this remaining minutes here. Now, Baao passes to Lumberio. 12 seconds to shoot here. Alaray. They need to go inside. They need a point conversion here. Obra, pero wala para sa Cruzeiro Motors. Will this be a chance for JB Hart to reclaim or get the win this evening? Pero mahaba-haba pa po ang 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Now, Bellarmino passes here to his teammate. 5 seconds to shoot here. Aquino releases a 3. No good. At ngayon, para sa isang mabilisang report sa side ng Cruzeiro Motors, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi, Zai! Ano update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, Jasper. And then here we are at the last few minutes of the fourth quarter. And to be honest, I don't know what to expect sa dalawang team na ito. Pilit nilalaban ng Cruzeiro Motors ang kanilang laro, managing to score a few points. In terms of defenses, nasa point sila ng laro wherein they have to be tougher and firmer. Let's see kung anong magiging outcome sa kanilang laro tonight. Stay tuned lamang here sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Tim.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the Cruzeiro Motors. Nakikita natin dito yung effort na kailangan gawin ng ating Cruzeiro Motors with them getting that penalty with Alaray once again sending to the free throw line. Napakagandang opportunity ito for the Cruzeiro Motors, lalong-lalo na we're down to the last 2 minutes and 1 second of this ball game. And on the other side, we have the JB Hart. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Kyla, on the side of the JB Hart. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Tina and Jasper. Gitgitan pa rin nga ang laban pero nasa kamay pa rin ng JB Hart ang kalamangan. Coaches si Maisem na maging all-out na at huwag na nga hayaang makahabol ang kalaban. Huwag sayakin lahat ng pinagpaguran for a sure win tonight. We can see the eagerness of the JB Hart to really get this win. Kailangan ng consistency sa bawat galaw dahil napaka-importante ng bawat possession at ng bawat action na kanilang pinapakita. Ang tanong ngayon, mapas sa kanila kaya ang laban na ito. Catch for more action at huwag na huwag kayong kukulap. Ito po muli si Kyla Casuliak from the JB Hart. Balik sa inyo, Tina and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla. At nandito na nga po tayo sa ating last 1 minute and 47 seconds of this matchup of JB Hart and Cruzeiro Motors. At para naman sa JB Hart, no room for complacency even though nasa kanila yung 5 puntos na kalamangan. Dahil kitang-kita din natin yung depensa na ginagawa dito ng Cruzeiro Motors. And on that last sequence, an in-and-out ball, another opportunity for Cruzeiro Motors. Relata getting that foul. So 2 free throws will be given to him. Again, this is just a 5-point lead coming from JB Hart. And with this remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds, malaki-laki pa yung kanilang gagawin dito.
Grabe. Yung laro natin, Tin, parang hindi pang elimination round.
Kaya nga.
Parang pang semifinals na yung bakbakan natin with this low scoring and dikit na laban, 63-68. Consistent performance from the first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Nakita natin yan. For both of these teams, napakagandang performance ang pinakita sa atin. And of course, kung sino yung mag-uuwi ng panalo for the third game this Saturday with Relata getting that second attempt on his 2 free throws.
Now, kahit yung mga free throws, Jasper, kailangan ngayon, most especially ng Cruzeiro Motors. And because of that, 4 pa yung kailangang habulin dito ng Cruzeiro Motors. We only have 1 minute and 23 seconds. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. But knowing JB Hart, at sinabi na nga dito ni Coach Alex, na talagang hindi nila hahayaan na itong Cruzeiro Motors makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na, or ngayong gabi ito. So JB Hart really needs to continue this good defense and good offense sa kanilang kupunan. Kasi konting minuto na lang, konting segundo na lang. At malalaman natin kung sino nga ba yung magwawagi sa isang magandang laban na ito between JB Hart and Cruzeiro Motors. And now, let's see here if JB Hart will continue this good momentum or Cruzeiro Motors, merong himalang mangyayari dito. So, depensa. Kung depensa yung kailangan nila ngayon.
Now let's take a look at this team. JB Hart on the offense. Let's see. Grabe, matatawagan pa nga dito ng foul. Itong si jersey number 45. Ala Ray. But it's not a penalty situation here. Let's see. Mendoza for the JB Hart. Anong gagawin dito? Now, Perea on the outside. Tumagalong. Belarmino will be fighting for 3 and that's good! On the side of the JB Hart, extending their lead to 7 points. Napakaganda. Napakalinis.
No, like he is putting an exclamation point for JB Hart. Now let's take a look at it again with that big 3.
Grabe talaga,
coming from Belarmino. Ngayon, napakahirap na for Cruzeiro Motors to get the win. Pero, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito, Jasper. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Hindi dapat magpakampante dito yung JB Hart na, ay, meron pa tayong 7-point lead. Parang babawasan na nila yung depensa nila dito. Because Cruzeiro Motors, knowing how they play, maraming pwedeng mangyari dito.
1 minuto na lamang. It will be hard, literally hard, for the Cruzeiro Motors na habulin niyang ganyan kalaking puntos dito sa natitirang oras na ito. So let's see, because kilala natin itong mga veterans nito. They are all game changers. So we'll see kung ano yung mangyayari din. For sure, yung mga team bahay natin nakahawak na sa kanilang mga inuupuan at napapasigaw na rin sa intensity na nararamdaman natin. Now, Relata to Alaray. Now, to Lumberio. Grabe. In and out ball yun, ha? 3-pointer. In and out ball. Let's take a look at this.
Now, if JB Hart can have a point conversion right now, they will have a big chance here. But Relatas touched that ball. Tried. No good. And now, ball possession of JB Hart with only 31 seconds remaining. Pero grabe pa rin yung depensa dito ng Cruzeiro Motors. But with this 7-point lead of JB Hart and 23 seconds remaining, Jasper, it will be hard for Cruzeiro Motors. And now, nakita natin yung napakagandang laban nitong Cruzeiro Motors and JB Hart. Grabe, yung nilaban din ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Pero mukhang uuwi yung JB Hart na walang bahid ng talo for our elimination round.
Napakagandang performance. And of course, yung standing ng ating JB Hart. This would be their 4th win this season. Napakalinis na standing. The same with the NCF Tigers with Benaobra for the defensive rebound. Let's take a look at this tin. Dahil steal pa nga yan coming from Belarmino. And ayun na nga, parang natitigilan na rin dito. Itong ating mga players, 64-73 ang ating score. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's the end. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to JB Hart. Still the undefeated team, same as the NCF Tigers for our Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. Indeed, napakagandang performance, napakagandang laban yung ating natunghayan for the third game this Saturday. And of course, dyan lamang po kayo. Don't go away because later on, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon Gangi, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi nating bitbit. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ladies and gentlemen, kasama ko na nga ang best player of the game, none other than wearing jersey number 23, Ken Taugan, wearing Bounce Academy premium quality t-shirt from the JB Art, none other than once again jersey number 23, Ken Taugan with 18 big points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals. Now, congratulations po sa pagkapanalo nyo. Still the undefeated team for Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1 ngayon. Matanong ko lang kung wala po ba kayong na-feel na pressure dun sa laban nyo this time, lalong-lalo na still undefeated yung team nyo. And of course, Carcino Motors yung katapat nyo for this game.
Grabe grabe yung pressure namin na-experience sa loob ng court. And para yung kasi yung nakalaban namin yung lahat din veterans, naging pro din, naging varsity. Nag-adjust na lang kami and ginawa namin na sa team yung laro namin.
So ayun na nga po, alam namin na veterans yung nakatapat nyo for that game. And this time, ano pa yung dapat naming abangan for the JB Hart, lalong-lalo na undefeated team pa rin kayo, 4-0, napakalinis na record.
Abangan niyo kami sa susunod na game and di pa kami nag-ensayo and kulang pa sa sa teamwork and adjust lang and abangan niyo ang susunod namin game.
And now I am giving you the floor, Ken Taugan, to shoutout sa lahat ng sumuporta sa inyong team.
Shoutout sa family ko, family Taugan and Matias, and sa nanood, family Gonzales, and sa jowa ko nanood dyan, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng OBL. And that's it.
Once again, our best player of the game brought to you by Kuya Nonoy Magtuto, and also wearing Bounce Academy Premium Quality T-shirt, none other than Ken Taugan. Maraming salamat po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon.
And that's our best player of the game, Ken Taugan of JB Hart. Undefeated pa rin po ang kanilang kupunan dito sa elimination round ng Oragon Basketball League. And of course, congratulations din sa ating Carcito Motors for giving us a good matchup this evening. At mamaya po for our final game, it is Safe Jam Star Master versus USI Falcons. I am Christina Canzo Reyes.
And of course, I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat din sa ating courtside girlies na nakasama natin. We have Zai and Kyla. Once again, tutok lamang for more top-tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!